Hello, I am Vamsi Krishnan and I have just achieved my dream of qualifying NEET 2026. From a young age, I was very interested in biology, nature, so I felt pursuing NEET would be a great way to explore careers related to biology.
Vamsi, basically, right from childhood, he has been a child who has always been inspired by nature, and he has always been very caring for animals. And roughly around middle school is when he started thinking that he should have a career related to medical sciences. So that is when he started expressing, saying that he would like to take up his NEET exams.
One thing I really liked about Allen is that they give a very solid foundation for all the science subjects.
It was like more of a stepping stone where he tried to get used to the environment of Allen, because compared to school, this was a more demanding environment. With the support of his faculty and teachers in Allen Banaswadi, he was able to grapple up pretty well.
In the 9th grade, I got all the fundamentals, the basics all set up, which really definitely helps in the 11th and 12th portions, which are a bit more complex. And in the 10th grade, I got the opportunity to be part of the TIM batch, which gave me some fundamental parts of the 11th and 12th portion, which I think really helped launch my NEET preparation, as well as it also introduced me to Olympiads.
What I used to hear is like Allen is a very rigorous system. It will be difficult for children to really fit in. It will be really very hectic. We are fortunate that the Allen faculty and also the program by itself, the way it has been paced, right, helped not only reinforce that Vamsi could perform well in such an environment, but the pace at which things happened. Advantage that we enrolled in 9th itself, because the 9th 10th gave a good time for the child to settle down into the complete system.
In the 11th grade, I participated in the Biology Olympiad and I was able to reach the OCSE camp level, and it was an amazing, enlightening experience. So this opened a new door for me. So up to that point, I thought the only thing in biology was just NEET, medical, all of that. But now I'd been introduced to this new field, which was research. So Allen definitely helped me pursue the research journey. So they gave me the conceptual clarity, the subject clarity to appear for the ICER aptitude test, in which I was able to secure an All India rank of 97.
JEE or NEET, those two are not the only branches to which a child can go. See, that is something that we personally experienced, that we can do something in research. All of these things were explorations that happened when Vamsi was at Allen.
Allen teachers were definitely very important to my NEET journey. Regular tests that Allen had got me used to the exam pressure. The SRG tests are slightly harder compared to the regular tests, which allowed me to actually be mentally prepared for a tough paper like what came in re-NEET. Furthermore, after NEET, I was a bit shocked when re-NEET got announced, since I'd also have to write the ICER aptitude test as well as the NEET test within a very short time frame, and these were both very major exams. So Allen teachers gave me the confidence and the ability and allowed me to perform well in both tests. NEET is a marathon, not a sprint. You have to be very consistent throughout. It's not about at the last moment just doing an insane amount of work and you can crack the exam. That is simply not possible. You have to gradually build yourself up so that you're able to really succeed.